Becoming a new mum is a life-changing experience, filled with joy, love, and at times, overwhelming challenges. After bringing your baby home from the hospital, your daily routine is bound to shift in ways you may not have anticipated. Between caring for your newborn, recovering from childbirth, and adjusting to new responsibilities, it can feel like a constant juggling act. However, with some thoughtful planning and organization, it's possible to create a structured yet flexible routine that works for both you and your baby. The first priority when you get home from the hospital should be your own well-being. Childbirth is physically demanding, and your body needs time to recover. Set aside time each day for rest, whether it's a nap when your baby naps or simply sitting down with your feet up. Your body is healing, and adequate rest will help you recover faster and be able to take care of your baby more effectively. Rest and sleep. It's essential to accept that you might not get a full night's sleep at this stage. Instead, aim for short, quality naps whenever possible. Many new moms find it helpful to sleep when the baby sleeps. Nutrition: maintain a balanced diet, including plenty of hydration, to support both your recovery and breastfeeding, if applicable. Consider preparing healthy meals in advance or asking for help from loved ones during the early days. Physical activity. After childbirth, discuss with your doctor when it's safe to start light exercise, which will help improve your physical and emotional well-being. Feeding your baby is a primary responsibility, and it can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of your day. Whether you are breastfeeding, formula feeding, or both, organizing feeding times will help create some structure in your day. Breastfeeding. Newborns typically nurse every 2 to 3 hours, with some variation depending on your baby's needs. If you are breastfeeding, try to set a comfortable space and time for each session, even if it's just a few minutes between each feeding to relax and bond. Formula feeding. If you are formula feeding, aim to have a set feeding schedule while being flexible, as newborns' feeding needs vary. Tracking feedings. Consider using a journal or an app to track your baby's feedings, diaper changes, and sleep patterns, which will help you better understand your baby's needs and prevent anxiety about whether your baby is getting enough. With a new baby, household chores may feel like an overwhelming task. However, maintaining a clean and organized environment can help create a sense of control and reduce stress. You may not be able to do everything, but breaking up tasks into manageable segments can make a difference. Create simple chores lists. Focus on essential tasks such as laundry, dishes, and tidying up. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Delegate tasks when possible, or consider asking a friend or family member to help with light cleaning. Baby space. Keep your baby's sleeping area clean and organized. Ensure all baby essentials like diapers, wipes, and clothes are easily accessible, minimizing the need to search for items during moments of exhaustion. Declutter. It's easy for your home to become cluttered with baby gear. Try to keep things as organized as possible by setting up designated spaces for diapers, clothes, baby gear, and your personal items. Sleep can be one of the most elusive aspects of the first few months as a new mom. Babies often wake every 2 to 4 hours, which can lead to sleep deprivation. While you can't control your baby's sleep patterns entirely, there are ways to organize your day to maximize your rest. Nap when baby naps. One of the best ways to ensure you get enough sleep is to align your rest with your baby's sleep schedule. While this might not always be possible, aim for naps when your baby sleeps during the day and don't feel guilty about resting. Nighttime routine. As much as you can, try to establish a calming nighttime routine for both you and your baby. This could include dimming the lights, using a white noise machine, or having a peaceful wind-down routine before bedtime. This will help set the tone for better sleep for both of you. One of the most important things to remember as a new mum is that it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's your partner, family members, or friends, don't hesitate to lean on your support system. Ask for assistance. Whether it's with meal prep, light chores, or baby care, there are people who want to support you. Let them know what would be helpful to you. Hire help if necessary. If financially feasible, you may want to consider hiring temporary help, such as a postpartum doula or a cleaning service to lighten the load in the early days. Even with the best laid plans, the reality of motherhood is that things can change quickly. Your baby's needs will evolve, and unexpected challenges may arise. It's essential to practice flexibility and patience with yourself and your baby as you adjust to this new stage of life. Embrace the imperfection. Understand that things won't always go as planned, and it's okay to let go of perfection. Some days will be harder than others, and that's perfectly normal. Give yourself grace. Allow yourself moments of rest and don't feel guilty for needing a break. Remember that your well-being is just as important as your baby's care.